Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this simple, beautiful, trending veil that you can make in less than 5 minutes. Without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial you'll be needing 2 yards of your crepe fabric. So the only tricky part when you are making this hijab is how to fold your fabric, if you want the slit to be on your left shoulder or you want it to be on your right shoulder. So if you want the slit to be on your left shoulder, you are going to fold your fabric with the wrong sides facing each other, and if you want the slit to be on your right shoulder, you are going to fold your fabric with the right sides facing each other. So the measurement you'll be using is, you are going to fold your fabric in such a way that the upper layer is going to be shorter than the second layer. So the shorter layer is going to be 30 inches while the longer layer is going to be 44 inches. You can adjust all this measurement depending on how big you want your own hijab to be. So for the back part, which is this folded area, you are going to measure 32 inches. Then you are going to cut out your selvage ends and cut the remaining part of the fabric out. Once you are done with that, you are going to notch the midpoint, which is going to indicate where your hijab cap is going. Then the next thing is for you to cut out your hijab cap. You are going to fold your fabric into 4 this way. The hijab cap height you'll be using is 4 inches while the width is 7 inches, and you are going to cut it out. After cutting it out, don't forget to notch your midpoint. Now to the sewing aspect, you are going to place your main body with the right side facing up this way, and you are going to fix your hijab cap on it by placing the notch points on each other, pinning it down and aligning the side. Then you are going to sew it down. Once you are done fixing the hijab cap, you are going to fold your face circumference into 2 this way. Then you measure half of your face circumference from the midpoint of your hijab cap downwards this way, and you are going to start sewing from there. So you sew for 10 inches downward from where your face circumference stops. All you have to do is hem all your edges, and that is that on how to make this trending hijab. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section below. Have a great day. Ma salam.